In front of me is ZTE A53 Plus, and today I would like to show you how you can set up face unlock. First of all, go into settings and scroll down right away. Then click on security section. Now scroll down again, tap on face recognition and enter your current login method. Following that, read all of the disclaimers, instructions and statements and hit done at the bottom right corner. Then choose Create Now at the bottom and keep your face in frame. Now you can adjust all of those options however you want to. When you're ready, just click on Home button. So finally, when I switch off my screen, then turn it back on, I can that face unlock is working properly. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!